Hello friends, today I want to explain an interesting topic that is easy trick to remember the alphabet number. This English reasoning is very much important for the people who write the competitive exams. After that, what is the way to remember this? It is very much easy for the first 5 alphabets. That means it is not very much difficult for the first 5 alphabet, that is A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5. After that, F means here F means fix. If you replace S with S, that means F means 6. That implies F is equal to 6. After that, in G, if you observe that in G we have 7. If you separate this, G equal to 7. And then 8. If you join this up and down these two edges, then we get H equal to 8. I means we can write this I in calculating like this, that means if you join this, I is equal to 9. J, if you join this and put one here, then in place we get J equal to 10. After that, K, write this 1, and if you observe this, I elongate this 2 just like that. That implies it is like, if you imagine this like as 1, then we get K equal to 11. After that, L. If you observe this, if you separate this L, these two lines, we have two lines. One line, write it as 1, and if we add this 1 plus 1, 2, that implies L equal to 12. Or we are able to remember this L as 12 like that also. L means, just imagine L as love, and love equivalent number is 143. If we multiply these 3 digits, we get 12. That implies L equal to 12. After that, M. If we rotate this clockwise in 90 degrees, we get just like as 3. And we place 1 here, we get M equal to 13. After that, N. If you N equal to, just remember N as November 14, Children's Day. November 14, Children's Day. That implies we get N equal to 14. Or someone remember this like also. We also know that N means nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic weight is 14. And then O. When you pronounce O, we just remember that one digit. That if you remember one digit, it is simple to remember O as 15. This is this digit is 150. If you separate this 15 and 0, we get 15 0. If you imagine this 0 as O, we get O equal to 15. And P, if you invert this, the mirror image of P is just like this only. This is just like a 6, and when you place 1 here, we get P is 16. After that, Q. If you observe that Q is the combination of O and 2, that means if we separate this O and 2, in O what we get, O is 15 plus is just like as 2. 15 plus 2 we get 17. That implies Q is equal to 17. And R, everyone know that right to vote. We get right to vote at 18 years. That implies R is 18. After that, yes, if we join this, it is 9. And if we place 1 here, we get S is equal to 19. T, everyone watch the cricket matches. In cricket matches, we have ODIs and T20s. T20s, if you remember T20, it is enough. That implies T20 means T equal to 20. U means, it is very simple. U have observed only U, total U is only have one line. If you observe in V we have 2 lines. 2. And U have only one line. In one, put 2 here, we get U equal to 21. In V we have 2 lines. We have 2 lines, and I put 1 2 here, we get V equal to 22. And if you observe that in U you have only one line, that's why I put 1 here and place 1 2 here, we get U equal to 21. And we have 2 lines, that's why I put 2 here and another 2 I put here, we get V equal to 22. After that, W. You have to observe the difference between the U, W and M. If I rotate the clockwise in this direction, we get just like as 3. And I replace 1 here. If you observe that M we come at the first and W we come at the last. That's why I rotate this in 90 degrees clockwise, anti-clockwise, we get just like as 3. Everyone of you know that W comes at the end of the alphabets. That's why I replace 2 here. And M is at the first of the alphabet. That's why I place 1 here. And finally, in X we have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And X is come at the end of the alphabets. That's why we have 4 corners. And we also know that X is a second digit now. We get X is equal to 24. And Y and Z, we have know that we have only A to Z have 26 letters. Last letter is Z. Then plus Z is equal to 26. And last but one letter is Y. We get Y equal to 25. This, friends, it is easy if you have put one clue for each letter. Then it is easy for you to remember this, friends. Try to watch again. Then it is easy for you to remember this alphabet number, friends. It is very easy technique to remember this. Thank you, friends.